As a final step, I'd like to change the root route from what it currently is, which is just hello world, you can see here, to the actual home page. That's the usual convention, is that the root route goes to the home page. So let's set that up. We can start by deleting, oops, that's not it. Oh, it's the application controller. Here it is. All right, let's get rid of this. We don't need that anymore. And it's the routes that controls the root route. Okay, so we've got root application hello. In the last lesson, we changed this to the user's index. So it was the user's controller and the index action. But in this case, what we want over here, we want this to be the static pages controller and the home action. So let's change it here. Oops, that's not right. Here. And you can see that the IDE is filling things in for me. It's kind of nice. I just hit tab, static pages, and then we want home. Save that and refresh it. And there it is. Now our home page is at the root route.